What if you could save up to 32 cents per square foot on your next building pad? On a 40,000 square foot pad, that's over $12,000 in unnecessary overruns. The LGX Laser Grader from Burchland Manufacturing was built to stop that. Most of you have graded a pad the old way. 3 inches of gravel, skid steer with a bucket, guys on rakes, someone chasing grade with a rod. It can take a crew of 6 just to dial it in. You make a pass, check it, rake it, check it again. And if you're even slightly off, you see it later in concrete overruns and extra material. Now take that job with the LGX. Instead of 6 people chasing grade, you're down to 1 or 2. The laser receiver controls blade height in real time, so you're hitting elevation as you move, not fixing it afterward. 3 inches means 3 inches, consistent across the entire pad. The tighter control means smaller overruns, less extra concrete, less wasted gravel, more predictable margins. On some projects, crews have saved up to 32 cents per square foot simply by tightening up grade control. And on bigger jobs, that adds up fast. The LGX is a universal skid steer mount compatible with major control systems: laser, GPS, total station, and more, so you're not locked in to one tech platform. Available in 7-foot, 7.5-foot, and 8-foot blade widths, with hydraulic rotation up to 270 degrees from the cab. It's built for building pads, parking lots, highways, athletic fields, anywhere finished grade directly impacts costs. This isn't about adding technology for the sake of it. It's about protecting your margin on every square foot you touch. Learn more about the LGX Laser Grader at birchlandmanufacturing.com.